It's no secret that political differences can get heated. But two merchandise vendors, one for Trump and one for Harris, are selling their goods side by side and showing us that we can get along even with differing political opinions. Matthew Seedorf has their story.
The presidential debate now center stage at this Orange County intersection.
They tried to keep taxes down.
One vendor selling merchandise for Republican nominee Donald Trump.
Kamala opens up a space for respect.
The other supporting Democratic nominee Kamala Harris. Is it awkward at all?
No, not at all. Do you feel awkward at all, Steve? Not at all.
T-shirts, hats, and stickers.
I've got a Trump flag here.
Steve set up his Trump stand about 8 weeks ago.
Flags.
Sandra started about 4 weeks later for Harris. Is that honk for you or for him?
We don't know.
A busy intersection they separately targeted in North Tustin for business, with parking nearby and enough space for two. Are you guys friends?
We are now. We have become friends as we've worked together here.
We don't debate. I honestly say that we talk and listen to each other.
She has her customers, I have my customers.
Right now the temperature is 101 degrees, but some interactions with customers can make it feel even hotter.
I mean, that's why we have the sign up that says we both ask that you please be nice, so that people see that we are talking.
There really shouldn't be any hate for anybody coming up here on either side.
Honking and yelling almost as constant as drivers on the 405.
I'm supporting Trump.
Customers themselves always know who they're shopping for.
A demonstration of where hopefully some of us can get to. I can't get here yet.
What about seeing the two sides together?
That's crazy.
But I'm glad it's peaceful, right?
Yeah, it should be, I guess. I don't know.
One intersection with different views.
Steve, there you go.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Bringing both sides together.